And today I'm finally finishing my 3D printed Captain America shield, and this involves some higher grit sanding as I prepare each ring for priming and painting. Assuming you haven't stepped on any of the rings, you can go ahead and clean any dust or skin oils left over and start priming and painting accordingly. And after quite a few setbacks and tons of sanding, I finally have my homemade 3D printed Captain America shield. Results aren't flawless, but I'm happy with it, and hopefully I inspired you to make your own. Thanks for watching.
Soldier, keep on marching on.
Morgan Thaw!